Hello everybody, how are you doing? We just had an amazing day on the field as a family, working on our skill set, our physical health, our wellness, exercise, and get into nature. Life is a game, but it's a matter of, are you going to be a spectator, a coach, a player, or someone on the sidelines just redshirting, watching the game go by? You have a choice in life. You have the opportunity to score, to get a touchdown and bring it to the next level, and show endurance, empowerment, and elevation to your game. Sure, we all get injured every now and again on the game. We get hurt. Our mindset is thrown off. Sometimes we get pushed out of the sidelines, and sometimes we get redshirted, which postpones our ability to work until we are healed. You have a choice in this crazy game of life to choose to press play. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, motivational speaker, global voice under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown. Are you making a choice to be active, proactive in the game, or are you just watching life go by? Many times we have opponents in life, challengers and competitors, but those are the individuals that should not steer you from how you play, but empower you and encourage you to push yourself more. The only competitor that you should have in this game of life is yourself, being the best version of you, a better version of you than you were the day prior. We have our ups, we have our downs, we have our injuries and our losses. And at times we do have the glory to be in the spotlight and have our wins to the championship. Whether rain or shine, the show and the game must go on. Make sure you make the conscious decision today on what role you're going to play in the game of life. Are you going to be an umpire, calling all the shots of what people do right and wrong around you? Are you going to be a coach, someone who leads from experience and wants nothing but the best to empower others? Are you going to be a player, a teammate, someone who supports one another's regardless of their level of expertise, but always wishing them the best? Are you going to be one who is redshirted for seasons upon end and make your injuries your title? Are you going to be a spectator in the stands, watching other people's lives, saying to yourself, coulda, shoulda, woulda, but didn't, and have remorse and regrets? Or are you going to be the star athlete who knows how to navigate the team and the field, who knows how to bring up others when they are down, and who is a team player who soars and rises to the top and just chooses to rise and unite as opposed to conquer and divide? My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach, bringing you daily content every single day, rain or shine, as I am getting wet as it starts to pour. I may not be professional like typical coaches or mentors or influencers in a three-piece suit, but I come from experience and the playing field, whether it be flag football with my cousins, tackle, or soccer, as I was an athlete in high school and college. I'm being real, authentic, transparent, and honest because I want you to achieve your goals, meet your fullest potential, and be the best version of you. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. My name is Andrea Mason, and check out andreamasons.com for further information, announcements, events, and projects. And I look forward to connecting you soon. Be safe, be well. Te amo.